Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will show you how to set up a proxy in the Aezakmi Anti-Detect browser. Sign up, log in, and let's start setting up. I am using the browser version, and I am already logged in. As you can see, the working field opens instantly. You can see that the proxy option is inactive. I activate it, and the fields for setting the proxy become available. Select the proxy protocol. Next, set the IP and port of the proxy. If you have a shared or free proxy, then you do not need to enter anything else. But if your proxy is a personal one, then enter the username and password. Now let's check the proxy performance by clicking on Check Proxy. If the proxies are displayed in green, then they are operational and you can create a profile and continue working using these proxies. Also, let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.